Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Do you need some extra motivations to hit your money goals? Well, Cleo's hype mode is all about positive vibes and cheering you on. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Cleo's hype mode for positive reinforcement. Let's get into it. The first step is going to be to open the Cleo app. So launch Cleo on your mobile device and go straight to the chat feature. Now there's step 2, you're going to type turn on hype mode. And you can simply type this into the chat bar and Cleo is going to respond promptly. Step 3, confirm that you want to activate it. Now Cleo will double check if you really want her hyped up encouragements. So you just got to go ahead and confirm that you want it. Step 4, enjoy the hype. Now, Cleo will celebrate your small wins, your savings habits, and good spending behaviors with the over-the-top positivity. Step 5, turn it off anytime. Now, you can if you change your mind later and you want to turn off the hype mode, you can just type turn on hype mode in the chat. Now, with hype mode activated, you'll have a personal financial cheerleader making money management way more fun. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in the next one.